It's the coldest, driest, and most mysterious place on Earth. Antarctica, though the smallest continent, has fascinated scientists, explorers, and conspiracy theorists for generations. No civilization has ever lived there. Yet beneath its endless sheets of ice may lie secrets we've only begun to uncover. So, what's really hidden beneath Antarctica's frozen surface? Welcome to Historyx videos. Antarctica, a land like no other. Antarctica isn't just a frozen wasteland, it's the world's largest desert. That's right, despite being made of ice, it receives so little precipitation that it qualifies as a desert. It wasn't officially discovered until 1820. Unlike other continents, Antarctica had no known native population, making it one of the last truly discovered places on Earth. Earlier maps from the Renaissance even depicted a mythical southern land called Terra Australis, based on the assumption that an Arctic must have a polar opposite. The first people didn't actually step foot on the landmass until the late 1800s. Even now, expeditions remain extremely difficult and often dangerous. One of the most tragic examples was the Terra Nova expedition, led by Captain Robert Scott in the early 1910s. Though his team reached the South Pole, they were beaten there by 5 weeks by Roald Amundson's Norwegian team. Tragically, Scott and his men died on the return journey. But the expedition wasn't just about reaching the pole. It brought back a wealth of scientific research, and that mission of discovery continues to this day. Science and secrets beneath the ice. In 1959, the Antarctic Treaty was signed, preserving the continent for peaceful scientific exploration. One of the most important research sites is the IceCube Neutrino Observatory, buried deep in the Antarctic ice. It's designed to detect neutrinos, subatomic particles that barely interact with matter. Some of these ghost particles may have even originated outside our solar system. In 2020, headlines exploded with claims that IceCube detected evidence of a parallel universe. While that's not exactly true, scientists did find neutrinos moving in strange ways, possibly due to the bizarre properties of the Antarctic ice itself. IceCube also contributes to our understanding of dark matter and cosmic rays, helping scientists explore the unseen parts of the universe. This is all thanks to something called Cherenkov radiation. When a particle moves through ice faster than light does in that medium, it gives off a distinctive blue glow, kind of like a sonic boom, but for light. Hidden lakes and alien echoes. But neutrinos aren't the only secrets Antarctica holds. Beneath its frozen surface are subglacial lakes, entire bodies of liquid water hidden under miles of ice. The largest, Lake Vostok, is roughly the size of Lake Ontario and completely sealed from the surface. These lakes stay liquid because of the extreme pressure from the ice above, which prevents them from freezing. And why does this matter? Because moons like Europa and Enceladus, which may harbor alien life, also have subsurface oceans. Antarctica could be our training ground for exploring alien worlds. We didn't even know these lakes existed until the early 2000s, when scientists noticed strange topography changes in the ice. And the surprises didn't stop there. Ancient life in the deep while, drilling through the ice to collect seabed samples, scientists discovered something they never expected. Sponge-like creatures clinging to rocks deep beneath the ice, surviving in total darkness and freezing conditions. These life forms look like mushrooms on stalks, and they suggest that life can survive in some of the harshest environments imaginable. If life exists here, why not on Europa or Titan? But not all discoveries bring comfort. Some fear that beneath the ice may lie ancient pathogens, frozen for thousands of years. In the Arctic, the town of Longyearbyen bans burials because the cold prevents decomposition. And there's concern that viruses like the 1918 Spanish flu, still preserved in the permafrost, could one day thaw. Thankfully, Antarctica has seen so little human activity that the risk of exposure to ancient diseases is low. But our very presence may be a danger to Antarctica's native species, like emperor penguins, who could be vulnerable to human-borne illnesses. From parallel universe neutrinos to hidden lakes, underground life, and secrets of cosmic importance, Antarctica might be the key to understanding not just our planet, but the universe itself. So, what do you think is really beneath the ice? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to check out our other videos from Unveiled, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more mind-blowing mysteries explained.